Yeah, Sirski, what's good? What's good, my people? Your boy is back. Your boy is back, man. It's one of those. It's one of those, man. Hitting the road again, man. You know, taking it all the way to the double end, man. To the double end, boy. Where Indwana belongs, you know what I'm saying? Born and raised, man. You know, KwaZulu, mfethu Natal, mfethu the double end, Newcastle. You feel me? Yeah. Before we take it even further, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. Do all those good things, man. You feel me? Yeah, finna hit that road trip again, man. You know what's up when y'all see this room. You know what's up when y'all see this room. You know, finna hit that young road trip, you know. Finna have the family, be together with the family, vibe, Christmas chats. Y'all know what's up, man. You feel me? Already packed. You know what I'm saying? I'll got the bags already packed. You know, pretty much ready to hit the road. I just need to shower, young. You feel me? Shower, yana, dog. You feel me? Handle the shower missions. And then, yeah, bro. Take it from there, dog. But somehow it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's like a young 4-hour drive. Newcastle is not that bad, man. Young 4-hour, you know, we there, bro. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all, you know, the journey, going there, you feel me? Yeah, bro. But right now, it's like when vandaag I'm vibing with the family, you feel me? I'm not vibing with the homies like that. It's the family vibe, you feel me? Already, you know, set up before young shower. But yeah, man, more than anything, bro, guys, please drink responsibly, dog. Yo, I like me talking social media and all those accidents via social media, like, yo, that shit is wild, bro. It's like, hey, just intoxication plus like this thing of, yo, drink and drive more than anything, bro. Like, you can die like that, we know it. A lot of these niggas die like that thing, man, the drink and drive check, but it's like, yo, be responsible with your life, man. More than anything, just be responsible, man, you know. Finna hit the damn shower. In the hill shower. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? From the hill shower. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my people. I guess I'm just gonna update you what's up. Let me hit the young shower. Yeah, it's Sirski. My boy finished bathing. Ish. Looking like a dime. A 10 out of 10, minus none. Forget about it. Tell them where we going.
Right now we're on our way to the Bundus. KZN way. Yeah.
Shit, I'm gonna miss the crib, dog.
Ish.
Love the plans, really, dog. Tell them who planted this, bro. Is it me?
Me.
Shit, Cap.
Dad.
It's Cap. It's young Cap. I don't believe you. It's you. You lie. Why is it dark this way? Oh, this girl is lying telling me about she did this, but she knows.
I did. Like, I woke up so early in the morning and
You ain't never put in the
worked,
hours.
man.
You ain't never put in the hour. Yo, it's a long drive, yo. I wish I'm there with you.
I'm not ready.
Why?
I don't want to sit in the car for that long. Too much.
Yeah. It's better when you drive late, eh?
Yeah, I know that.
Shit. It's dark here.
It's black. It's not really dark. It's actually black. Is that Linda? Linda is
Yeah, that's the boy.
finally.
Yeah, guys. Finna hit KZN. In a minute, innit?
Second.
In a minute, innit? You feel me? Gonna miss this place, but hey, man, catch me in Jan. Josie. Tired of Josie, dog. You feel me? Gonna catch you niggas in Jan, you know? Keep coming back.
Yes, but I'm going to Eastern Cape afterwards, guys. Come back for 2 days and then I'm out again.
Eli.
I'm
That
so
trick is still active.
Yeah, you bruh.
I thought you were on cancer, eh?
Nah.
So you buy on the 31st?
No, the 29th.
Yo, until when?
The first.
So it's a young 3 days.
Yo.
God damn.
It's actually 4 days and 3 nights.
So you wanna let Lindo and Mom be alone?
Yeah.
And then
Look at myself.
tripping. Started tripping, dog. She's leaving the fam alone. Usually very me, I'm in KZN, dog. So she decided to try young flies with a friend. We're hitting Eastern Cape or whatever. So hey, I won't lie, the family's gonna be bored, hey. But yeah, guys, I'ma holla at you. Young Trip Chain. boy finished bathing. As I said, man, you know. I want you to check some sly. You know what I'm saying? It's really cooling, man. That's the Centurion, bro. That's the Centurion, bro. Finna hit the double N. Them Zinga says, in fact, what you know about them Zinga says. If you know, my dog, you know. I really wanna peep that later on. Just like, you know, home ground. So, yeah, man. I wanna miss this place, dog. I feel that. I am, you know, keeping it calm, keeping it cheap. You know, taking care of the nature, you know what I'm saying? Making sure everything is done before we hit the road. You know what I'm saying? What you think about this trip, bro?
That shit hard, bro.
It's hard, my boy. Yeah, I appreciate you, family. You know, some lights, you know. Ain't trying to put too much pressure on them, you know, trying to keep it cute. You get bad, but it's like, just let them breathe, dog.
Chill out on them.
You feel me? Avoid putting them on the chokehold too much, bro. You feel me? Pick up these flowers, bro. These niggas, they wouldn't believe that I was part of nature. See what's up. Motherfuckers are cute. Nature kind of. Not food, though. Shouldn't be even buying food. It's like, you know, planting veggies, all of that, dog. These niggas are fixing prices. Take care of nature vibes. This one is bad out of this road trip, bro. Last time, right, boy, he hit like a young 7 man. Niggas were stopping like it was crazy, bro. But yeah, this is a young 4 or 5 max, you know. But we're gonna handle it, You do what I'm saying? And now we're just chilling, waiting for everyone to finish what they doing in terms of packing, what. You know, the ball was born ready, dog. Been ready, you know, just waiting for everyone to, you know, wrap up and all that, and then we hit the road, you know. After that, I guess, you know, it might be KZN, might be y'all seeing the road. I don't know what's up, dog, but yeah, just wanted to update you, feel me? Say what's up, you know. Fuck, I'm gonna miss this place, bro. But hey, man, at the same time, kumbulile was in fence, Newcastle was in fence. I ended up I sub upset, and then Newcastle was in fence. I will come back stronger, you know. Watch out, dog. There's a lot of content coming through on this channel, dog. That's why it's called the Black Ball Network. You know, there's a lot of content that's gonna land into this page, you know. So more than anything, guys, just show love, support. You know what I'm saying? And then we take it straight to the top, bro. All that hating shit, they ain't gonna feed you, my dog. You ain't gonna eat with that hating shit, dog. Just show love. It's another black man, dog. One of your own. So the difference is what? I got ice in my veins. Feel me, my dog. Hey, nah, man. Sunny day, you know. That melanin connecting with the sun. Be cool, man. Be cool, bro. The sun. You know what I'm saying? So the latest project is out, man. Go run up the numbers. You know, 3P, Enzo, 3P. You know, that's the latest release. And the music scene, we're also dabbling. We're killing it, bro. Like, when it comes to this entertainment shit, go hard, man. Just really started. Yeah, my niggas, yeah. Just wanted to show love. Just wanted to reach y'all. Peace out. Hanging in medicine, Zimbabwe ngeke kushisa like the boy be dripping melanin. Vele kushithana dawa ngeke ngimelanene. Kusuki wara zami zizomela mpinje ngithi nani medicine. Zimbabwe ngeke kushisa like the boy be dripping melanin. Vele kushithana dawa ngeke ngimelanene. Kusuki wara zami zizomela mpinje ngithi nani medicine. Scoop slow shilo. Biggie, my belon and Catalona spoon. I just wanna do you, don't tell me about your mans. Make that coochie splurge when I'm faded off them blacks. You can cop your wine, me nang be black. And if them drinks had plaques, I swear my shit diamond. My shit be like the wives of Melu Panding in a stress. That Rona like this slay queen who be waiting on your bands.
Me
I'm pussy black, I'm a lag, I don't lag. Suka physical stage, cause you know that black don't crack. On that gussy crack, man, can we flip the page? We not on the same page, we not on the same book, we not in the same library, we not in the same hood. Goti kasjafan, Papa no kost magdal. Baba kalanga makala, bengcimba ukusukela kudala. Ngifihla isiteshi iBosco sofa, la ndisephalaphala. Ngiqeda ngezifo nidlala, nina beniguphi, benikekela njengenkalankala. Ngiphatha isigrafu njengonkala, ngibashiya bekhala. My 16's on coke, my rap D don't choke. How the hell you take a dick but you can't take a joke? My niggas losing hope, it's really set to see.
Yo, pissed up, tell him what's up. Tell him what's up. Why you dying, bro? Amateur ass.
Wait, let me talk.
No, you ain't trying to talk. You ain't trying to tell them to like, share, comment, subscribe.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the good things. Are you done? Because you said I must say that.
Got it. Here's your boy, here's your OC man, man, walking inside.
2 hours.
To go, yeah?
There's been traffic, there's been accidents, there's been...
We're still
going, but damn, man.
Where you going next to?
To school.
Where's school? It's kind of nice and fussy, man. Last time I checked her, she was young, bro, but right now, she done grew up, dog. She feels fussy. Yeah, bro, all pissed off. Got the head.
Chill out, boo.
She really fool.
Chill out, boo.
Yeah, my boy.
Chill out, boo.
Dog, it's quality, dog. You look like, from abroad, boy. It's like you won't bath in this SA water.
Hey, Baba, I bought them the same taps that you guys use. I just bought properly.
Oh, yeah?
I'm joking. Hey!
Cut from a different claw. Y'all heard that?
I'm joking.
Cut from a different claw. Huh?
Don't quote me.
Cold to me.
Don't do that.
Chill out, fool.
Just bath, guys. Yo.
You're so gas,
Do you know?
Be cool.
Tassa Vaseline.
Oh, that's what this light thing is. Slab. I don't hold you. It's the one. You wanna see yourself? You can see yourself.
Nah, I'm looking at you through the camera. I'm looking at you.
Out of here. At that quarter was in fence. Just touched down. And so pants go in the car with my bed and fence to film me. That's where I grew up, man. You know. These walls raise me, my dog. Like, it's real, bro. Every time I touch down here, you can feel the energies, you know what I'm saying? You know. But yeah, I wanted to tell you guys to travel safe, you feel what I'm saying? I travel safe. Right now I'm finna hit up the homies, I'm finna vibe to the homies and see what's up and what's up with them niggas. You feel me? Yo, really, I could tell when I touch down, them niggas is really scared of, you know? Them is in Newcastle, in fact, that's the location right there. You feel me? So I'm just gonna pop up on them, you know? What's the vibe, what's the levels, you know? And I guess I can take it from there, you feel me? Yeah, man, I just wanted to update y'all guys, you feel me? Yeah. It's this Boozy right here, bro. Where a nigga grew up, dog, you feel me? Before a nigga was hitting them daddies, bro. Everything started here, bro, you feel me? So it's always a place where you can get time and come back, you know? And hang out with your loved ones, you know? But yeah, I think the next clip gonna be Mzin Gassis. Go home.
Niggas don't pay me enough. They don't pay me enough. How much is that? Manga size. Manga size.
I'm recording.
Manga size. Manga size.
I don't care if you see me on my porch. If I say I'm not home, I'm not home.
I'm with the wolves, I'm with my dogs. I told y'all niggas. With the wolves, my dogs. It's just a game, yeah. Strong, bro. Ain't no bitches in this shit. Ain't no bitches in this shit, dog. Easy at all. That's all. Number one. That's all.
Get my money fit the family. Need some time to get my money with the family. Need some time
Yo, my nigga Rap E, tell him what's up. I'm in KZN right now, niggas. Y'all niggas thinking this is Gauteng? Fuck out of here with the Gauteng shit. It's that double N, homie. What you know about that double N?
Came from the battle, back. Mandela.
I think I'm bitching at dinner dates. Them niggas are serious as weed.
Yazin. I'm going to wings at KFC.
Just to shoot things.
KFC is open, bro.
Port, amigos, port.
Yeah, 7 amigos.
But for you, man.
Like the fish, the mother shit.
But for you, man.
Yeah, 9 man.
He's a 9 man.
That's a feeling papa.
That's my life. Feeling papa. All I see, dog. It's the pop level right now.
Should have matter. I was a kind of food.
I don't feel them at all. Shout my food. My food. I took your bitch in the dinner date. I took your bitch in the dinner date, homie. Holla at me.
Like you gonna, I'm the actually
with my woes. Hey nigga, hands up. But drop low. Get laid. Okay. Last night with your bitch last night. What's going on? Get up your knees, but don't be like my B, Might get a slap, Yo, Mandela, hey, came from the bottom.
I have too much.
Mandela, hey, came from the bottom. Wait, I'm on my best. Hey, I'm on number best. I'm on number best.
I want too much emotion.
Back at it. You think what I'm saying?
We just rolled one.
With my homie out here.
We rolled one.
Dibs,
We tripped one.
steady cooling, my dog.
For all them dead homies.
Look at my eyes, niggas. Niggas
Can't
ain't
lie.
sledge, bro.
Eyes don't lie. Listen to me, Chico. Listen to me, Chico.
Real chance.
It's in the eyes.
It's in the
Eyes don't
eyes,
lie.
my
What
dog.
do you think, man?
Yo.
Even your mommy, boy.
My niggas,
Even your
I'm trying
mom.
to tell these niggas I would've worn shades.
But you did it.
It's like I'm trying to keep it real with y'all niggas, you feel me?
I mean, the gang way. Always
Zaza.
Zaza in. Babuye pants way
That zone,
boko.
shot a Zaza Zao.
It's the new
Keep it on
link.
100. You feel me?
034.
Yeah, it's a double
the
M, my
error
niggas.
code.
It's where we belong, actually.
That's where we're from.
That's
The
where we
West.
belong. Fuck all that Josie chat, dog.
Fuck. Nah, I wouldn't say fuck the Chose the chat.
But you know what I'm saying?
They've
yeah?
been pushing that shit, but
Josie's fly.
big up to them.
Yeah. But it's like,
034.
that's that double M, my nigga. That's not
Land of the hyenas.
Dog. Them Josie niggas, like,
Big up to you
the
niggas.
thing about
but
Josie, most of those niggas don't belong there.
all I
Just there
can
to
say
hustle.
is let Enzo, let Red the Bubbles, Red Black Steez, like let them cook, bro. Let them cook.
You feel me?
MZ 6 is where they cook.
Trust, dog.
All I can say is we're on the way.
Go on the verge of
You're
doing
gonna
this
know.
thing, dog.
You're gonna know for
in
real.
due time.
In due time.
In due time.
Patience is virtue,
Big facts, my
and
dog.
not everybody is patient, but sometimes you gotta teach patience.
Peep game. Peep game.
All I can say is
Peep game, niggas.
keep waiting on it. Just wait on it. Wait on it.
RIP that nigga
RIP
take
take.
off.
Take.
dog.
RIP take.
What's up with them real niggas passing? Dog.
Dog.
Towards them fugazi ass niggas that are just,
It's the life.
feel me?
It's the life we live.
them real niggas, they go out sad.
2024
Pussy ass
resolution.
niggas.
2024 vision. Ngibakhiphela izabathe remember batshela kanjani. 2024
going.
vision.
Yeah.
All I can say is, hey man, let's get to it.
Yeah.
Everybody,
Real
let's
chance.
get to it. Whatever it is that you're pushing, let's get to it.
Facts. Get it how you can, my dog.
Get it how you can.
Focus on your vision.
Yeah.
Don't let anyone tutor you via your own vision. If you had a vision, if you have
I'ma
a plan,
start telling niggas get it
execute
how
that
you
shit.
live.
Facts, my dog.
I'ma start telling niggas get it how you live.
Facts, my dog. Don't
Get
stress
to it.
about how
Don't stress about the mommies.
don't stress about other niggas telling you what to do with your own missions, my dog. You feel me?
Don't be stressing about
If it works for you.
nobody.
Dog, facts. If it works for you, dog, stick in that.
Not all
That's your
recipe.
lane.
Not all recipe is good recipe.
Exactly, my dog. So it's like niggas, this is real motivation, man, dog. I don't lie to you niggas, dog. We sauced up right now. We finna buy some more booze even. But it's that thing of yo,
That's the life in the hood.
Gotta-
Unfortunately.
you gotta schedule that game. my nigga.
Unfortunately, came straight from the lot.
Eish.
0-2. I
Eish.
just came straight from the lot.
Hey,
Came
but
back
you
to the
gotta
plug.
trap it out.
Came back to the plug. We're about to spin now.
You gotta trap it out, you
We're
know.
spinning the plug.
It's natural, this thing, dog.
Mm.
We've been starving each other, yo, niggas.
The scene's way back.
Yo, y'all niggas will never understand
TJOT.
the way.
This is just a crazier wave.
Dog.
TJOT.
And the thing is with y'all niggas, we're just getting started. I don't lie to
This
you
is
niggas.
only just the
It's
beginning.
just-
We're just starting up. We're
My
finding our
mates.
groove. We're
Once we
just
crack that
figuring out
code.
our groove. We're just figuring out our groove. I think we're solid now, dog.
Solid,
I think now we're solid.
because there's no pretense this side,
Nah,
dog. It's
there's no
organic
pretense.
vibes.
It's only the way to the
100%
top.
organic vibes.
From here on, it's just the top. It's just the top.
Ain't no turning back, my niggas. So it's like, it's either you fuck with the
Ma-
boys, you like, I prefer y'all niggas to ride the wave right now. Because if you miss out on the wave, you might catch it late.
I'm gonna come back to the hood and show love to the hood. Even though they never showed me love, but it is what it is,
Finna
man.
school these
I got
niggas.
love for the hood. These are my people.
Finna school these
24/7, these are my people.
265.
I'm gonna come back, put them in a better position.
That's a fact, right
When I
there.
get on my feet, I'm gonna put my people on. Trust me. Trust me.
Real chat right there. Dog.
Trust me. When I get on my own 2 feet,
They're gonna see what's up.
they're gonna see what's up.
And that's a real chat right there. It's not a gimmick. It's not a myth.
This circle is gonna be stronger than ever.
You feel me? Some day one shit like that. Niggas, all niggas will never understand.
Just wait. Just wait on it.
Yeah, she wait on it, homie.
Take. R.I.P.
Wait on
Take.
it, homie. R.I.P. that nigga
R.I.P.
Take.
Take. Also, R.I.P. to all the fallen soldiers.
You feel me?
I know
man?
2023
Real
we've been to more funerals than we was in weddings. But
at the end of the day,
this
niggas,
is for them. We can
gotta
keep
thug it
pushing.
out. We gotta thug it out. Cause at the end of the day, it's all about that bag. It's all about supporting your family. You know, keep it straight, independence, all of that, bro. Stick to your grind, stay in your lane, focus on your vision.
MT said, this life ain't easy, my dog.
Shh, mina
Ang CV, my dog. Rest in peace to
sleep on that
SK.
nigga,
Hope
bro.
you see me on
You feel
call.
me? But more than
R.I.P.
anything,
Bobson.
shh,
R.I.P. Dube.
all them niggas we lost.
R.I.P.
bro.
Simon.
All them niggas we lost.
R.I.P. Mapanya.
Real
Man,
nigga
I
vibe,
lost
yeah.
my niggas. I wish you.
Real nigga vow our neighborhood.
Yeah.
Real goon. R.I.P. Mjengwes.
R.I.P. Mchengenza,
If you know, you
the real
know.
gangster. If you know, you know.
Keep it on the hush, though.
The only nigga to put me on that number, I ain't gonna say which number,
Deeper
but
than raps. It's deeper than raps.
Mchengenza.
homies. You feel me? So all them niggas, bro, it's love, you know.
Love.
Our mission is just to get
Whether
to
you
the
do
level
good
where
or
it's
bad,
like, yeah.
We ain't judging
Get it how
nobody.
you can.
Get it how you live, nigga.
Cause all those niggas y'all look up to, them niggas are dirty as fuck. They shady, they dirty, they do all that sloppy shit. Like it's crazy. So it's like, I feel like get it how you can, bro. You know.
When you see
More
these
than
niggas in
anything.
person, trust me, it ain't nothing. When you see them in person, it ain't nothing. They the ones to
Trash ass
salute
niggas.
you. They the ones to
Trash ass
salute you,
niggas.
but still dish you behind your back.
Trash ass niggas, bro.
But
You feel me?
we own it.
But yeah, more than anything, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all of that good stuff,
Enzo,
bro.
check out the music,
True.
guys. Check out the
Keep
music.
everything, dog. We coming
This is
for
what it's
everything.
about.
You don't need the. Don't give me a slice. Give me the whole plate.
Music is a
Feel me?
universal language.
Coming for the. Oh,
Oh yes, my
the
nigga.
whole thing. I'm
Oh,
going with
I'm on
the
a
slice.
bless.
I need the whole plate. Feel me? Some friends. Other dogs.
Some Jeremy.
This is my slams.
We are.
Some friends. Come on, watching abantu ukuthi kuse
Abuke nangomunye
Umalanda
sandayo
mami.
igodonisi.
nomonga wena.
Godonisi. Utshela buke nango Mr. Nkosi. Uza negodonisi ukhathaza. Uhambe nokhathaza. Uzokhathazwa amanye amadoda. Mfethu. Awuthenga i-BM mfethu.
Mfethu.
Thenga i-Jameson mfethu.
Mfethu.
Thenga
Mfethu. Ingasikhosha mafethu, Other dogs.
Other dogs ezinye zezinja.
Khohla malume.
Oza ngoba
Mfethu.
Kalili yagqilaza. Lalela.
Yiyo le comment.
Yiyo le comment.
Niggas ain't sleepy, my dog. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Do all that good shit. It's enjoy happen.
Come on.
Other dogs.
Other ones.
Ngilume bafana.
Featuring in the wash. Nazo zonke izinja zaleko Jones. 44. You know. You're already there.
Already on the west side.
West side. Endela 034 Endela We're about to start this shit.
It's a movie
In
in real time.
It's a horror.
Ekulume mfethu. Chala madoda inde.
Unsamiyeni.
Bayema. That's a whole situation.
So kishinga.
I'm friends. Concern niggas. trying to tell you niggas. I'm trying to tell you niggas.
This is how we roll. Wabonisa amarazo man.
So we roll.
Yini usaba amarazo.
So we roll. And tell me about the Brazos.
Sango nazo.
Brazo.
Okunye nokunye.
Got my niggas tees. Got my niggas tees in this bitch. In this bitch. I'm friends.
Khona le into engenza.
Other dogs, my niggas. December, Friday, we cooling. Some respect.
Nangu my man. Omekhombisa ukuthi kuyosebenza. Now it takes some cop. We're about to collect some money.
Some mula. Ebona ingeqe ngani?
Now checking.
Abayazi ngicela. Hayi bayazi.
Basuka lo.
Islam business. Aye, my Polulus don't wanna sleep. Aye. Funilala la bafana. Mean Josie to trapping. Funilala la bafana. Niggas. Nandi. Gang call. Yo. Niggas always sleep down. Hey, Buluru? Aye. Go Perita. Aye. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Touchdown, Julius. Hey.